Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I appreciate y'all tuning in today, whether it be morning, afternoon, or evening. Thank y'all. But what I'm going to do today is work on a Remington RH-71. If you remember, I bought this knife at Smiley's Flea Market in Macon, Georgia. It is a straight line Remington. This knife, according to my book, was produced after 1940. 1940 is when DuPont, if you can see DuPont in the bottom of that circle right there, DuPont bought Remington out in 1940. The Great Depression got the best of Remington, and that's when DuPont bought them out. But what I'm going to attempt to do today is take the handles off, come up with a plan on re-putting new handles on here, and reshaping this blade. This blade is about a ½ inch too short. It was broke at one time. Somebody attempted to put a new point on here. You can use the knife as is. The handles are okay, but somebody put like a dragon head on here, and this used to be a leather handle. So I'm gonna attempt to use this deer antler I found down in the woods. I'm gonna use this section here. It's straight. That's my plan. It all depends on what I find when I get in there. I hope this is gonna work, so we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna break the handles off here. Hope it won't be that hard. Hope it ain't a bunch of glue. They seem to be coming off pretty easy. Oh yeah. There it is. Clean this up. Yeah, that bone should be able to work good on here. So I'm gonna take this over there, clean all of the rust up on the handle here. The rust was just a little bit too much for the fabric wheel over there on my little 3-inch grinder, so I decided to use the sander here, and it did a great job. So now I'm fixing to reshape this blade and start on the handle. Okay, I've given it a new edge. You can see. Reshape the blade, clean the handle up. Now I'm fixing to put it on the sharpener and try to get a nice, good, sharp edge. That's sharp enough to use in the field, ain't it? Shape the blade, gave it a good edge, and she's sharp as a razor now. Clean up the handle. Now I'm about to attempt to put the bone on here. Alrighty, I'm about to cut this part off here so we can try to use that as the handle. I don't know if y'all have ever worked with bone before, but it stinks. Terrible. I have to wear a mask. Plus, I don't want to breathe that stuff in, but this is going to be the handle here. It's going to look good. I just got to make it fit now. So now I'm just going to try to put a hole through the center of it. You want to get the hole just big enough for the knife, so that way it's good and tight, especially when after you put oh, it's so close, y'all, so close. All right, let's see what it looks like. Okay, it looks good. Okay, I got one more final cut here. See that mark right there? There's a straight line right across there. This could make or break the knife. If I mess this up, I have to start all the way over again. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Whoa, looks good. Let's see if this will screw on. Is it working? So far. Just got to do one more round. All right, that's the way it's gonna be. I just got to sand it down some. It really looks good. I'm proud of that now. So I'm gonna sand that down to be smooth with this. Just sand the rough edges down some and sand this down to match this. It turned out good. Now I'm gonna oil it down and clean it up. Alrighty, remember that extra sheath my friend made that I got up at Smiley's that day? It fits like a glove, man. Check that out. It looks so good. That bone, man. Compared to a dragon head. Check this out. Oh boy. Check it out. Check it out. I don't think it could have turned out no better. Sharp as a razor. Nice bone handle. Man, it looks good. Remington. See that? Remington. RH-71. Made in the USA. It's got a nice edge on it right here. And she's sharp. Looks good.